Mama Dlamini, a very good morning to you.
Good morning, Baba.
Sabingelela, thank you so much ukuthi nawe futhi namhlanje uyazethemba ukuthi namhlanje uzophumelela uzonqoba.
Hayi ngiyathemba ngoba i-challenge.
Ngoba i-challenge. Right, on the line we also have Mr. Mkhize naye othi ufuna ukususa umama uDlamini esikhundleni sakhe. Mr. Mkhize, sawubona.
Ngiyabingelela amabhola ngiyaphila baba.
Right, are you ready for the challenge?
Hayi singready.
Right. Ilula kakhulu-ke, I have 10 random questions from the Bible and each person will have to answer those 10 questions and ozothola imbuzo eminingi correct will be our winner for today. Sibuye naye next week. Siqala ngawe-ke Mr. Dlamini. Are you ready for the challenge?
Mr. Mkhize.
Yebo baba.
Yes, siqala Mr. Mkhize.
Oh, okay.
Right, Mr. Mkhize asingene.
Okay.
Mega Grace on Sunday, the Bible Challenge.
Right, Mr. Mkhize, your first question this morning. We Mega Grace on Sunday. Muzo wako kuqala uthi, who was the mother of Samuel? Uana. Right, next question. Which king wrote many of the Proverbs?
Solomon.
King Solomon. Who was thrown into the lion's den?
Daniel.
Daniel. What river was Naaman told to wash into to be healed?
River Jordan.
River Jordan. Right. Which man in the Bible climbed on the tree to see Jesus? Zacchaeus. Okay. Next question. Who was Ehud? And what was unique about this man? Ikamalaku Ehud. Who was this man and what was unique about him?
Uban.
Ehud.
Oh, Ehud.
Yes.
What was unique about Ehud? Kodwa yilo ukuthi wazibulala ngenkemba.
Wazibulala ngenkemba. Right, let's move on. The next question. Who was the name of Moses' father-in-law?
No one sees a conscience. Sure.
Yes. Father-in-law wakhe.
Yeah, lo amsiza ngokuthi abantwana bahlale empilweni.
Right.
Oh, wow, guys, ngikhohliwe.
Let's move it.
Hayi ngikhohliwe igama.
Right, the next question. Which prophet was instructed to marry a prostitute?
Amos.
Ubani?
Amos.
Ubani kamala kazwakala?
Amos.
Amos.
Yes.
Right. Your the next question. Uti, who killed Sisera by driving a 10-peg through his head? Wamgwaza wamshaya ngento lapha ekhanda uSisera. Ubani lowo owambulala uSisera?
Deborah.
Yeah. Right. Your last question. What is the shortest verse in the Bible?
Jesus wept.
Jesus wept. Right. Ngibambela kanjalo mfethu, ngibambela kanjalo. Mama uDlamini, are you still on the line?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for the challenge? Ngiyakuzwa Mkhize ngapha ukuthi uyamazi ukhohlwe igama, siyakuzwa ngapha. Uzomthola sokukhumbuza yena ukukhululeka. Right. Mama Dlamini, let's go.
Mega Grace on Sunday, the Bible Challenge.
Mama Dlamini, your first question. Who interpreted Pharaoh's dreams in Egypt? Joseph. Right, next question. What was the name of Abraham's wife? Sarah. Right. Who betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver? Judas. What city did Jonah try to flee from instead of going to Nineveh?
Cela ungiphindele.
Which city did Jonah try to flee from instead of going to Nineveh?
Okay, what Johnny Abale, what Italashish. I have to make the song to know the answer.
Right, let's move on. The next question. Who was the strongest man in the Bible?
Goliath.
Ubani?
Goliath.
Goliath. Right, let's move on. The next question. What was the name of the high priest who judged Jesus?
Caiaphas.
Caiaphas. Next question. Which book of the Bible mention the fruits of the Spirit?
It's Galatians 5 verse 22.
Galatians 5 verse 22. The next question. Who was the king of Salem and the priest of God who was blessed by Abraham?
I'm forgetting this name.
The king of Salem and priest of God who blessed Abraham.
Let's pass this one. I don't want to be,
Let's pass this one.
Yeah.
The next question. What was the name of the man who fell asleep and fell out of the window while Paul was preaching in the book of Acts?
The
name of the man that fell asleep and fell out of the window while Paul was preaching.
Oh no. Sure. It's an interesting question and I'm forgetting the answer. Pass.
Right. Okay. Your last question, Mahmud. Which prophet saw a valley of dry bones? Hezekiah.
Yeah.
Right. Nali jaji lami lisangibhekela ama answers enu la ukuthi nenze kanjani namhlanje. Right, liyangibhekela ijaji lami lana just nje sibone ukuthi ahamba kanjani ama answers namhlanje. Right, are you ready for results?
Yes, sir.
You ready for results? Asiboneni ama results ethu hamba kanje. Mr. Mkhize.
Yeah.
You got 7 out of 10. 7 questions out of 10. 7 questions out of 10. So abuka ama corrections khona manje. Mama Udlamini.
Yes, sir.
Out of 10 questions, you got 8 questions out of 10.
Wawina wena.
Numam Dlamini is our champion again, sitting on the throne, winning 8 questions out of 10. Mr. Mkhize Wakuthola 7 questions out of 10. Mama Udlamini, as a champion, how do you feel?
I feel happy. Though kube laba questions engibonile ukuthi anginterested for the first time in the West.
Yes.
So I need to check them.
Ngizowenza ama corrections ukuze hambe uyabheka nawe ukuthi hamba kanjani. Mr. Mkhize.
Yebo.
Lo muntu obumkhohliwe yazi ubani igama lakhe?
Yes.
uJethro.
Ujeff ngimkhumbule. Hayi, uphetile baba.
Kubonile ukuthi lokho edlula kuwena ngiyalibona igama ngiyalokhu lidlula but umukhwe ka Moses uJethro uyena futhi uyamazi sangazini bekhohlisene.
Hayi, sesibe uyilanga la mama.
All right, thank you so much bafowethu. So phela sibuye nawe futhi Mr Mkhize, mamdlamini siyabuya nawe next week.
Ngiyacela ukubuya.
Zazokubuyisa Mr Dlamini. That was that was uMama uDlamini no Mr Mkhize. uMama uDlamini is our champion. Mawuthemba ukuthi ngamsusa esihlalweni sakhe uMama uDlamini. Send me your number and your contact details and your name on our WhatsApp line 0737091991 bese ke uyasitshela ukuthi uyafisa ukudlala kanye nathi iBible challenge. Sibona ama corrections fast. Mr Mkhize got 7 out of 10. Umbuzo mnikeza inkinga uqala nje ngimbuzo ukuthi who was the father-in-law of Moses uJethro kade semkhohliwe. Ngambuza umbuzo wesibili ukuthi which prophet was instructed to marry a prostitute. Yena uthe uAmos, it actually uHosea owashada ne prostitute. You must check Hosea chapter 1 verse 2 izokutshela lapha. Ngambuza another question ukuthi ubani wabulala uSisera. uSisera wabuya lawa uJael. You must check the book of Judges chapter 4 verse 21. Those are the 3 questions agawagejile Mr Mkhize. Mr Dlamini, uMama uDlamini got 8 questions out of 10, so she missed only 2 questions. The first question ngimbuza ukuthi who was the king of Salem and the priest of God who blessed Abraham. uMelchizedek lowo ebengimbuza lapho. Must check the book of Genesis 14 verse 18 undaba kaMelchizedek lapha no Abraham. And then another question engimbuza ukuthi ubani lo owayehleze fasteleni einsizwa ethile yazumeka uyazunywa ubuthongo yaze yawa yawela ngalya ewindini kushunyayela uPaul eshumayela in the book of Acts. Igama lakhe uEvitiko. You must go check him out. Evitiko igama lakhe incwadini yezenzo chapter 20 verse 9 uzoza ukuthi kuthiwa lendoda lena yayihlezi ngasefasteleni. Yethi hlezi ngasefasteleni kushunyayelwa kusho ukuthi ngaphakathi endlini iphinde ibe ngaphandle. Mawufuna izenzo 20 verse 9 kwakuhlezi efasteleni insizwe ethile ogama lalingu Evitiko eyazunywa ngobuthongo bunzima uPaul eshumayela isikhathi eside isiyehlulwe ngobuthongo yawa phansi suke esitezi sesithathu yathathwa isifile. So ihlezi efasteleni ibisifihleli efasteleni ilalela intshumayelo ngapha ibuka nokwenzeka ngapha ngaphandle yazi yazunywa ubuthongo yafa intshumayelo yengelinye ilanga esiyoyishumayela. It's Mega Grace on Sunday with me Phumlani Nkwanyana, your radio bishop.